Okay, you guys, prepare yourself for my beautiful 2-page spread of our hike of Overlook Trail, Lake Tenkiller, January 2021. Let me give you a little close-up. Look at those cute, pardon the glare, boot prints. You gotta have the boot print punch. It's so cute. There we are. Blah, blah, blah. See the whole thing? Okay, this is the Waterfall Peekaboo Pocket inspired by Lauren Hines, Craft Some Joy. Ta-da! Journaling. You can read it later. And another one. And another one. What do you think of that? I may not be doing this anytime soon. My brain does not work this way. It took forever for me to figure out which way to put everything and make it all fit. But I love it.